Have you ever stared at a mountain of tiny, repetitive tasks and wished they could just vanish? Like sorting endless emails, scheduling meetings, or organizing scattered files? For decades, we've built machines to handle physical, repetitive labor. But what if machines could do more than just lift heavy boxes? What if they could think, adapt, and even learn from our messy human instructions? Imagine you're baking a cake. You follow a recipe, mixing ingredients in a specific order. That's like traditional automation. A robot arm repeatedly combines sugar and flour. But what if you run out of an ingredient or decide to add a new one mid-bake? A human would adapt, find a substitute, or adjust the recipe. This ability to understand context, to improvise, is what sets human intelligence apart. Now, picture a digital assistant, not just booking your flight, but understanding your preferences, anticipating delays, and even suggesting alternative routes based on traffic. It's not just following steps, it's reasoning. This leap from rigid instructions to flexible problem-solving is what we call cognitive automation. Instead of just executing pre-programmed scripts, these systems use artificial intelligence and machine learning. They process information, identify patterns, and make decisions in complex, changing environments. Think of it like a smart filter. Traditional automation is a simple sieve, letting through only what perfectly matches its holes. Cognitive automation is a dynamic water purification system, analyzing impurities, adjusting its process, and ensuring clean water regardless of what comes in. This isn't about replacing humans entirely, it's about augmenting our abilities, freeing us from the mundane. It allows us to focus on creativity, strategy, and empathy, the truly human tasks. The future of automation isn't just about doing more, it's about doing smarter, adapting, and continuously learning, pushing the boundaries of what's possible.